Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Click, man. I'm back with another reaction for you guys. I know you guys have been seeing it everywhere. If you haven't, Drake has dropped his newest album, his latest album, Her Loss, and he didn't drop it just for the sake of, fire tunes or nothing like that for us. There's a lot of controversy involved in some of these songs, so we're going to be looking at one of them right now. It's called Circo Loco. He did fire a shot or two, and somebody did respond. So we're just gonna be listening to the song, first reactions, and seeing if there's any other cryptic messages in there, because it's Drake, so he is like that. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, man. Turn on post notifications, drop a like, and you let me know in the comments, man. What do you think about what he said? You think he shouldn't have said it? It's a free world. I know people can say whatever they want, but some things I guess you don't need to say. But we're just gonna get right into it, man. See you guys in the next one. Peace. All right, and I got the lyrics up on screen because I don't want to miss anything. You know what I mean? As I said, this guy's like, he has these cryptic subs in his messages, so we want to get the most out of this one. You know what I mean? So we're gonna start it off, man. Circo Loco. Like the beat. Like I did hear it earlier, but I didn't really take in much. Like I just heard the beat, so I definitely like the beat right off the top.
I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been fucking on a French bitch, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed.
Wait. I think his baby mom's is French, right? The Adonis's mom. I think she was a French porn star or something like that. That's what I'm not sure, but I think that's where that's from. Okay.
Till I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling.
That's the one. Well, what did he say? Let me look at these lyrics. I just want to get it right. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. It's crazy to me that he did say something about this, just because I remember when Tory was like, kind of throwing names of people that weren't returning his call. Sorry. I think he did mention Drake as one of them, so I was kind of surprised that he said something about it now. And the fact is, with this situation, with this case, man, it's been so up and down. This minute, nobody's talking about it. Next minute, somebody says something about it. It's back up again. It's kind of crazy. But, as I said, some people did clap back on his shots that he fired. So I got that message right here. I'm going to put it up on screen for you guys, too. Basically, she said, stop using... this is Megan Thee Stallion, by the way. And if you guys don't know, this was just about an incident that happened, like, a year now. Maybe I'm just guessing. But... she said that Tory Lanez shot her, pretty much, and everybody was like down on him for shooting a girl, all that shit. So her reply to hearing Drake's song is, "Stop using my shooting for clout, bitch. Stop using my shooting for clout, bitch ass niggas. Since when the fuck is it cool to joke about women getting shot? You niggas, especially rap niggas, are lame." That little part there, rap niggas are lame, is in caps, so it might not just be Drizzy, you know what I'm saying? Ready to boycott about shoes and clothes, but dogpile on a black woman when she say one of y'all homeboys abused her. I mean, what do you guys think about it? I don't know, man. I guess he didn't want to, this is the nicest way he could have said something about it if you really think about it. Like, it could have been much worse, right? So he could have tweeted, he could have done it, he just said something in a song. This was probably an old song. Who knows how long this album's been in the making, right? So it's probably from time he's just like, I'm not going to take it out. That shit's fire. It's controversial. It'll get the people going. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I ran it back. I just want to hear that again all together.
Blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been fucking on a French bitch, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere like you Ray Allen. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up.
As I said, sorry, the title of this video is Toronto Man Reacting. I think that this word Crody, obviously, is the crip of Brody, whatever. But I think I never heard it before I heard Toronto Man's using it. So you guys let me know. Is it a Toronto Man thing?
Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on a Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty said she graduated, she ain't learning enough. Play the album track 1K, I heard enough. Girl to drive it downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown
the flow is hard on this one.
Hey, Bo Taker shades with the great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for Jay Prince.
That's another one. That's another one. That linking up with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for Jay Prince. I'm pretty sure that's about Kanye. That was around the time when they were obviously having their beef, but I think they did what was that tour? What was that tour called? It was free somebody. I can't quite remember. I don't want to waste too much time on that, but it was definitely about them linking back up when they did that show for God, how am I not remembering this? It might come back to me. But yeah, so that was definitely about him and Kanye. So I guess Kanye's probably not gonna like that, and Kanye's been pretty emotional for a while now, so you know things are going on with them there. So who knows? This might be the breakup again.
17, 2 purse for all guys. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up one more time. Hey, known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place. But I got these diamonds on my neck, so it's a blind date. All my niggas on the road.
Can you imagine, like realistically, diamonds that are blinding somebody on a date, and you call it a blind date?
Raising up the crime rate, your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Crody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years. When I do though, turn me up. Crody turn me up. Crody turn me up. Hey, Crody turn me. Hey.
Yo, hold on. I just found the tweet. So yes, so the Jay Prince thing was with Kanye, and he replied saying, "Enough already. I done gave this man his flowers multiple times. Let's really see who our real ops are in this music game. Imagine all the rappers on the same side and everyone cleaning up each other's contracts. It's kingdom time. Love, Drake." I mean, I guess he been on that unity shit for a while now, so I guess this is a new Kanye that we're looking at. That boy on his meds, it seems.
Crody turn me. What?
21 in the drop top Benz like it's 03.
21.
The shooters ain't down from the nosebleeds. Gotta get this passport, keep my nose clean. Bitch try to burn me up. Keep a man a tuck, yeah. I never slip. SF90 rims red like a poker chip. Rich as hell, still hood in the strokers belt. Pink slip in the glove for the ownership. Limping with the 30 on like a bro hip. Red flag giving blood on some donor shit. All the ops get a bullet on some Oprah shit. Went from Angel Town Estates to a bigger state. Probably would have had a zombie on me if I would have stayed. Still a caught a case if I would have stayed.
Nothing like crazy lyrics or anything, just like, but it's just catchy and it's just hard, man.
Thugging all my life, that's just how I play it. Still posted in the A when niggas feel me. Still gotta see the Gunners win Premier League. Still gotta keep
Arsenal.
a gun, it's always near me. And I'm down
Arsenal,
to hit them up.
One more time. Hit my line, you know the hair was great. Oh yeah, alright.
And the one more time sample is lit. Definitely a banger in the whip, in the gym, wherever.
Oh yeah, alright. One more time.
Yeah, I'll definitely give it to him. He bodied this track. Both him and 21 bodied this track, and he sent some, direct shots. To be honest, I don't think these are any subs like that, because the people that he was talking about, I mean, Meg the Stallion. I don't know nobody else named Stallion, but it hit, and it hit hard. So let me know what you guys think. You think he should have said this? What do you guys think about the disses? What do you think about the track in general, man? I'm gonna leave it at that because I'm gonna jump to the next controversial one.